Welcome back to another Tech Basics tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use web search on the DeepSeek AI application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the DeepSeek AI application on your device. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the new chat menu. Here you will see 3 different modes that you can use. Apart from the expert mode, when you use the instant or the vision mode, you can find the search option underneath the prompt box. You can tap on this to enable web search mode, so that the application will scour the internet to get you the most up-to-date response. Let's go ahead and ask a question. Once you type in your question, make sure the search web icon is enabled and then press the send button. Now DeepSeek will read through the various articles online and provide you with the response. Here you can see how many web pages it has referenced, and you can tap on this to expand each of them as well to directly visit these links. You can use this feature to get the most relevant response, and it also compiles the sources for you. This can be helpful when you're trying to verify the information provided by the AI engine. You can also combine the think option to establish your context and proceed forward with your research. And there you have it. That is how you can use the web search option on the DeepSeek AI app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.